adventurers! Now we are here today to have a product review of one of the stuff that a lot of anime lovers are crazy about, and we have the Nendoroids. Yes. Now for now, what do we have here? We have here the cheaper box from Bully Boy Collectible. Yes, for those who would like to purchase anime stuff, you can visit their shop in Shopee. I will just place the link below. Okay, so let's find out what do we have here. Now, for those who know me, I am a very big fan of Bakugou. Yes, of My Hero Academia. So, hopefully, I will get a Bakugou here. Wow! So, oops! My Bakugou stuffter just went poof, and wow! So you can see besides the shipper box, this is wow, very much packed. And yes, so we have here, can you see that handsome face? Yes, so we have Katsuki Bakugou. Okay, so let's try to remove this thing here, and we're going to check the box. So we have here Katsuki Bakugou. This is a SWACCHAO. Am I pronouncing it properly? So let me pronounce it properly. We have SWACCHAO. So anyway, please comment below how do you pronounce that. And we have here Katsuki Bakugou Sculptor Oguma Shimon and Masami Oshiro Onaji Cooperation. Wow. So Nendoroid. Yes. So this is actually a Nendoroid wherein he is permanently seated on his chair. Yes. So there you can see My Hero Academia. Yes. And Katsuki Bakugou is wearing his hero costume. Here you can see there is a sticker of authenticity, media link. Yes. And here is how Katsuki Bakugou, SWACCHAO. Okay, SWACCHAO. This is how Katsuki Bakugou would look like. Yes, always seated, behave, and wow, we have support, good smile info. Yes. So I'm very lucky because I was able to purchase this here in my country, the Philippines. And I am going to open Katsuki Bakugou so that we can see how cute and adorable he is. So let me get my scissors and we're going to snip. Now that I have cut the tape, so this is how it will look like. So we have the Nendoroid head, and then the body, and then there's the peg, okay, for the chair. Now the chair can be moved, yes. So as you can see, we can remove the head from the body, yes. So let's find out. Okay, wow! So this is actually a little cheaper than the usual Nendoroid because of course it doesn't come that much with accessories. So it only has, okay, my Sweetie Pie Bakugou here. Okay, and his head seems very bulky. Yes, you can see the design of his head. Yes. Okay. Now, as you can see, he only has here one faceplate, and that is his very alluring smirk. Yes, he's like smiling and very happy to destroy something. So there, let's put his head there. Now, what else do we have? Oops. Okay, nothing more, just the head. Now here we have the chair. So you can see that the Nendoroid chair is very cute. It's very small. Yes, and okay, so there's a neck peg here, and then there's so the chair, the back, okay, the back of the chair, yeah, you can fold it. It's foldable. Ooh. So okay, and wow, we have here Bakugou's very nice body, and of course it is seated forever. Okay, so that's it. There's nothing there. We're just going to follow the instructions. So here it shows how many things do we have. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so let's try to assemble and show how he would look like seated down. So here he is, my very own Baukgo Swacchao, and he is seated on his chair. Wow, can you see that? Yes. Now, what I like about this collectible is that you can actually snap the chair at the back, okay, and then just let him sit any place wherein there's a corner. So example, if you're working, you can just place him seated on the table near you, and wow, that is a very cute inspiration. Yes, so for those of you who are a great fan of My Hero Academia, especially Bakugou, he is a must buy. He is so amazing, and look at that, the attention to detail is amazing. Yes, so that's it. We have here SWACCHAO Katsuki Bakugou. Thank you so much, and I hope that this will be another part of a great collection to look forward to. So anyway, hope to see you again. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Bye!